Hi everyone, my name is Alex and this is my channel update. So, you guys know that JAK's Tech hasn't been around for long. It's only been about a week since the release of our channel JAK's Tech, but unfortunately we have to update our channel due to the fact that one of our members has left the channel and is no longer supporting us. So this is our channel update. Let's begin. Okay, so since one of our member has left the channel, what we plan on doing is continue to make tech videos as usual, but with a different appearance. Instead of saying JAK's Tech, you'll be known as Tutors for Tech. So those who have subscribed to us don't need to worry because it's the same channel but with a different name. Those who haven't subscribed as yet, I do encourage you to subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of our tech videos. So this is Alex from JAK's Tech, well, now known as Tutors for Tech, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy.